Are you ready to dive into the wild world of investing? Well, hold on to your hats because we're about to show you how to turn your pocket change into a pile of gold. Forget Warren Buffett and his slow and steady billions. We're here to make your money move faster than a squirrel on an energy drink. For more awesome content like this, subscribing is the way to go. And of course, liking this video helps it reach more people. Now, let's start. Warren Buffett, the Oracle of Omaha, took 55 years to become a billionaire. But have you heard of Jay Walker? He launched Priceline.com during the dot-com bubble and went from zero to billions in less than a year. Now, that's the kind of financial speed we're talking about. Let's face it, the money game is no joke. It's a dog-eat-dog world out there. And if you don't know the rules, you'll end up more broke than a chair in a rock concert. Most people work hard their whole lives but still end up as broke as a joke because they don't know how to make their money work for them. But hey, you've got an extra $1,000 saved up. That's a bigger achievement than finding a unicorn in your backyard. Instead of blowing it on the latest gadget that'll be outdated by next Tuesday, let's learn how to make it multiply. The big question is, how do you invest your first 1K? Real estate or the stock market? What kind of stocks do you buy? Is $1,000 even enough to get started? We've got answers to all these questions and more. So give that like button a good old thumbs up and let's dive in. Picture this. You've got $300,000. You could buy a Ferrari and flaunt it. Or you could invest it in real estate and make that sweet rent money every month. It's like getting a paycheck from your property. And if you're ever tired of being a landlord, you can sell the property for a profit. That is investing. It involves putting capital to use today in order to increase its value over time. Sure, $1,000 might not get you a house, but you can still make it grow like a chia pet. The easiest way? Throw it in a savings account and watch it accumulate interest. But hey, why do banks pay you for parking your money with them? Shouldn't they charge you instead? Well, they lend your money to others and share the profit. Cheeky, right? But the problem is that savings account interest rates are lower than a snake's belly in a wagon rut. We're talking 0.8%, which means your 1K will only grow by a measly $8 in a year. That's like trying to inflate a balloon with a straw in a hurricane. And with an inflation rate of 2 to 3%, your money is just losing value. So what's your next move? Government bonds. It's like the government is saying, hey, lend us money and we'll pay you back with interest. These bonds are safe as a grandma's hug, but when interest rates are down, the returns are lower than a limbo champion on a rainy day. Now, let's take a closer look at the stock market, the place where fortunes are made and dreams can come true. If you've ever wondered where to put your money to make some real cash, well, look no further. The stock market is where the action's at, and it's more electrifying than a squirrel on an espresso binge. Just to give you a taste of what's possible, consider this. Amazon stock skyrocketed by a jaw-dropping 80% in the past year. Google? Well, they've been on quite the journey, with their stocks climbing nearly 30%. But let's talk about Tesla. Hold on to your socks. Folks, they've gone up a mind-boggling 721%. That's not a stock. That's a rocket ship to financial success. It's like hitting the jackpot without ever setting foot in a casino. Now, here's the part where we need to be a bit more serious. When it comes to the stock market, you can think of it like a wild roller coaster ride with a few unexpected loops. Yes, there are incredible rewards to be had, but it's not all sunshine and rainbows. First and foremost, let's talk about the risks. Companies can fail, just like that get-rich-quick scheme your cousin tried last summer. a once promising business can take a nosedive. And when that happens, the value of its stocks can plummet faster than a lead balloon at a helium party. So imagine investing in a company that seemed like the next big thing, and then they go kaput. It's like being on a roller coaster that suddenly takes a sharp drop. Exhilarating, but potentially terrifying. And yes, even the most stable stocks can get a case of the jitters. News, events, or even a bad quarter can send a company's stock price on a downhill slide. It's like that roller coaster ride hitting a series of unexpected loops. Thrilling, but it can make your stomach churn. Bad news can be the nemesis of the stock market. Just one negative headline can send shock waves through the market. A product flop, a scandal, or economic downturn. All these can make the market go all topsy-turvy. So, while there's potential for incredible gains, there's also the chance for hair-raising drops. So as you gear up to conquer the stock market and make your money work for you, remember that with those tantalizing returns come some heart-pounding risks. It's like riding a roller coaster with your eyes wide open, enjoying the thrill but also being prepared for a few unexpected twists and turns. But hey, life's an adventure, and so is investing. So fasten your seatbelt, put on your financial safety helmet, and let's ride this roller coaster together. Next, if you want a taste of the action without the heart palpitations, try index funds. The S&P 500 tracks the top 500 US companies, and investing in it is like owning a piece of the American dream. Historically, it has returned an average of 10%, making it the smartest decision since someone invented the internet. Ready to make that 1K work for you? First things first, find a broker, someone who can sell you stocks. No need to call a Jordan Belfort type character. It's 2023 and you've got apps like Robinhood and Webull. Sign up and you can start investing with a swipe of a finger. We've kept this video as simple as Grandma's apple pie, so you can dive into the world of investing with confidence. No more Googling and procrastinating. It's time to put that 1K to work. We appreciate you being a part of Wealthway today. We're dedicated to helping you achieve financial success, and we hope you've gained valuable insights from this episode. If this video resonated with you, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to stay in the loop for our upcoming content. If you have any questions or want to share your experiences, don't hesitate to leave a comment below. Until our next encounter, continue on your journey to financial prosperity, because here at Wealthway, we're confident that your wealth is well within your reach.